afternoon. Good afternoon all. Please mark your attendance. Mark your attendance. Yes, good afternoon. All of you mark your attendance. Dechu.
Good afternoon, miss.
Yes, good afternoon, Sahal. എന്താ തെച്ചു കുടിക്കണേ? No. All of you, have you had your lunch? Have you had your lunch? Yes. Okay. Okay. Mark your attendance fast. Okay, good. Okay, let's start our class. Are you ready?
Yes, miss.
Yes, let's start. All of you take out your textbook.
Good afternoon.
Yes, good afternoon. Those who are joined now, please mark your attendance. Those who are joined now, Darshid Radish, please mark your attendance. What did you learn in our previous class? What did you learn? Yeah, yes, this and that. Take fast, take your textbook, page number 50.
This is a bat, this is that, this is a ball.
This is a bat, that is a ball. Okay, very good. Then, okay, these uses of this and that. This is a chick. Hen. എന്തുകൊണ്ടാണ് that is a hen എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞത്? That is a hen. Very good. Objects which are near to us, we will use this. Objects which are far away from us, we will use that. Did you understand this and that? Listen, I will show you. See. What is this? Eh? Star. This is a star. This is a star ano? That is a star ano? This is. Okay.
Star.
ഇനി ഈ സ്റ്റാറിന് എന്താ പറയാ? ഈ സ്റ്റാറിന് എന്താ പറയാ? ഈ സ്റ്റാറിന് എന്താ പറയാ? Very good. Very good. Okay. This is a flower ano? This is a flower ano? That is a flower ano? Yeah, very good. This is a... Yeah, very good.
This is Mama.
This is a bed ആണോ that is a bed ആണോ? This is a bed ആണോ that is a bed ആണോ? That is a bird. Very good. Miss bad. Did you understand about this and that? Object which are near to us, we will use this. Object which are far away from us, we will use that. Did you understand about this and that? Eh? Yes or no?
Yes, miss.
Yes. Okay.
Yes, miss.
Okay, very good. This is a ball. That, see, look at the textbook. First one. This is a bat. This is a bat because objective here. So the ball is far. That is a ball. This is a chick which are near to us. We will use this. With objective which are far away from us, we will use that. This is a chick. That is a. This is a fish near. Objective far away from us. That. Did you understand about this and that? Yes or no? Darshid Radishe. Darshid endana fighting ano? Sit properly, Darshid. Then this is a flower ano, that is a flower ano.
This is a
Eh? This is a flower. That is a star ano, this is a star ano. This is a star ano. Yeah, very good. Very good. That is a star. Next. Miss. നല്ലോണം വരയ്ക്കാൻ അറിയാല്ലേ? That is a bird ആണോ? This is a bird ആണോ? Yeah, very good. That is a bird. Yeah. This is a star ano, that is a star ano. This is a star ano, that is a star ano. That is a star. Yeah, my turn. Okay. This is a star ano? That is a star ano? Very good. This is a star. Appo ee star engane paraya? That is a star ano? This is a star ano? Yeah. Very good. Very good. Yeah, very good. So, did you understand about this and that? Object which are near to us, we will use this. Object which are far away from us, we will use that. Okay, listen. Then today's homework, vowel, U sound words, write it in your English notebook. Okay, vowel, U sound words, write in your English notebook. Okay, today's homework. Don't forget that, write neatly, vowel, U sound words, write in your English notebook, page number 44. See, vowel, U sound words. These words, write it in your English notebook. Okay. Write it. Not now, after the class. Okay. Next. English alphabets, how many letters are there? English alphabets, how many letters are there? Oh, sorry. Wait. Yeah, say answer. How many letters are there? 26. How many letters vowels?
26.
How? Okay. English alphabets, how many letters? 26 letters. Okay. How many letters vowels? How many letters? How many letters vowels? How many? Very good, Hiza. Very good, Hiza, Dakshina, Sahal. Very good. How many letters? 5 letters are vowels. Which are they? Yes, which are they? A, E, I, O, U. Okay, listen. Yes, A, E, I, O, U. English alphabets, 26 letters are there and 5 letters vowels. 5 letters vowels, which are they? A, E, I, O, U. Rest of them consonant letters. Don't forget that, okay? Then every day, listen, capital letter A to Z and small letter A to Z, write it. Write in your English notebook every day. Don't forget that. Okay. Ready? Yeah, Anvi. Very good, Anvi. Every day. Ella divasum. Capital letter A to Z and small letters A to Z. Write in your English notebook. Don't forget that. Okay. Now, today we can learn about uses of a or an. Page number 45. Uses of a or an. Uses of a or an. Take page number 45. See. Uses of a or an means a ആണോ യൂസ് ചെയ്ത് പറയേണ്ടത്, ആൻ ആണോ യൂസ് ചെയ്ത് പറയേണ്ടത്. ഇപ്പൊ നമ്മൾ ദിസ് ഈസ് കഴിഞ്ഞ ക്ലാസ്സിലും ഇന്നും ഒക്കെ ആയിട്ട് നമ്മൾ എന്ത് പഠിച്ചു? ദിസ് ഈസും ദാറ്റ് ഈസും ചേർത്ത് പറയേണ്ടതെന്ന് പഠിച്ചു. ടുഡേ നൗ വി ക്യാൻ ലേൺ അബൌട്ട് എ ഓർ ആൻ. എ ഓർ ആൻ. ഓക്കെ. What is this? What is this? Pen. A pen or an pen. A pen or an pen. Look, listen. Listen. In our vowels, 5 letters: A, E, I, O, U. It's our vowels. 1 minute. Okay. In a word, see. In a word, first letter. In a word, first letter, vowels, we will use A or an. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U, vowels. In a word, first letter, starting letter, vowels, we will use an. In a words, first letter, not vowels, we will use A. For example, P, oh, sorry. A, E, I, O, U. ഇതാണ് നമ്മുടെ vowels. Uses of A or an. A ചേർത്താണോ ആൻ ചേർത്താണോ പറയേണ്ടതെന്നാണ് പഠിക്കുന്നത്. P, E, N. ഇതൊരു വേർഡ് ആണ്. ഇൻ എ വേർഡ്, ഇതൊരു വേർഡ് ആണ്. ഫസ്റ്റ് ലെറ്റർ ഏതാണ്? P. ഫസ്റ്റ് ലെറ്റർ P വൗവൽസ് ആണോ നോട്ട് വൗവൽസ് ആണോ? Who will say? 1 minute. എല്ലാരും കൂടെ പറയില്ലേ, മിസ് എല്ലാരെയും അൺമ്യൂട്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്. ഓക്കെ. PEN ഇതൊരു വേർഡ് ആണ്, ഒരു വാക്കാണ്. PEN. PEN. In a word, first letter vowels we will use an. In a word, first letter not vowels. Vowels അല്ലെങ്കിൽ we will use A. Look here. Look. In a word, if it is, see, once again I will show you. This is our vowels. A, E, I, O, U. In a word എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഒരു വേർഡിന്റെ ഫസ്റ്റ് ലെറ്റർ വൗവൽ ആണെങ്കിൽ we will use an. PEN, pen. PEN, pen, first letter P. P vowels ആണോ നോട്ട് vowels ആണോ? Yeah, very good. Not vowel. So we will use A pen. A use ചെയ്യും. നമ്മൾ ഏത് യൂസ് ചെയ്യും? A യൂസ് ചെയ്യും. A pen. Next, E, 1 minute. A or an. A ചേർത്താണോ പറയേണ്ടത്, ആൻ ചേർത്താണോ പറയേണ്ടത് എന്നാണ് പറയുന്നത്. APPLE ആപ്പിൾ. ആപ്പിളിന്റെ ഫസ്റ്റ് ലെറ്റർ ഏതാണ്? ഇതൊരു വേർഡ് ആണ്. ഇതിന്റെ ഫസ്റ്റ് ലെറ്റർ ഏതാണ്? A vowels ആണോ നോട്ട് vowels ആണോ? Vowels. So we will use an. Yeah, an apple, because first letter A is vowel sound. So we will use an apple. EGG egg. First letter E vowels ആണോ not vowels ആണോ? Vowels ആണോ not vowels? Vowels ആണ്. അപ്പോൾ ഇതാ vowels ഇവിടെ എഴുതിയിട്ടുണ്ട്. Then we will use A or an. An. Very good. Very good. Next. ORANGE. Orange. Orange first letter ഏതാണ്? O vowels or not vowels? Vowels or not vowels? Yes. O vowels ആണോ not vowels ആണോ? Vowel. So we will use an orange. Next, BAG bag. ഇതാണ് ഒരു വേർഡ്. ഇതിന്റെ ഫസ്റ്റ് ലെറ്റർ B vowels ആണോ not vowels ആണോ? Not vowels. So we will use a bag. Yeah, very good. So we will use a bag. In a word, first letter, if it is first letter vowel sound, we will use an. In a word, first letter not vowel, so we will use a. Okay, once again I will show you. Our vowels A, E, I, O, U. Then word CAR. A car or an car. Who will say? Yandev Yudish. Say answer. Yandev. A car or an car?
A car ആണോ പറയാ? an car ആണോ പറയാ? C vowel ആണോ അല്ല? അല്ല. അപ്പൊ
very good.
A
car. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good, Yandev. Very good. Very good. Very good. TAP tap. Oh, ഈ കർസീവ് ലെറ്റർ പറ്റൂലല്ലോ അല്ലേ? സോറി. TAP. A tap ആണോ an tap ആണോ? Anvi say answer. Anvi.
പറ. A tap ആണോ an tap ആണോ?
A tap.
എന്താണ് കാരണം? Because first letter T is not vowels. So we will use a tap. Hiza Anwar. Iron box. IRONBOX. Iron box. A iron box or an iron box is a A or an? Very good, because first letter I is vowel sound. Very good. Next, Kashyap Shaiju. Kashyap. BASH. A-G, bag. A bag or an bag?
B-A-G, bag.
B-A-G, bag. A bag or an bag?
A bag ആണോ on bag ആണോ?
Very good, because first letter B is not vowel, so we will use A. Next, Tanus Krishna. B-U-S, bus. A bus or an bus, Tanus? A bus, because first letter B is not vowels. Dakshina. O-X, ox. O-X, ox. A ox or an ox, Dakshina? ഇവിടെ A box or an, A ox or an ox? Dakshina. Say Dakshina, say answer.
yes.
O-X, ox. An ox or A ox? First letter O is vowels. Very good. An ox.
ടീച്ചർ വെരി ഗുഡ്
ഇവിടെ ശ്രദ്ധിക്കണേ, ലിസൺ. Amiga, are you sleeping? Amiga? A bus or an bus?
മിസ് ഉറങ്ങിപ്പോയി മിസ്, അതുകൊണ്ട് ശ്രദ്ധിക്കുന്നില്ല.
Okay. Vaishnava, A bus or an bus? A bus, because B first letter not vowel, so we will use A. Very good. Next, Muhammad Sahel. C-A-T, cat. A cat or an cat?
C vowel ആണോ?
C is not vowel, so we will use A or an.
ഏതാ യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്? A ആണോ N ആണോ? An ആണോ? ഉച്ചത്തിൽ പറ.
A, very good. Rida Fatima. Rida Fatima. Rida Fatima. Turn on your mic, Rida. Current poem say. Okay, fine. Rida Fatima. Please turn on your mic. Rida, turn on your mic. Okay, wait. F-L-O-W-E-R, flower. A flower or an flower? Rida Fatima, say answer.
മിഷ ഒന്ന് പറ, അൺമ്യൂട്ട് ആക്കിട്ട് പറ. ഫ്ലവർ A ഫ്ലവർ ആണോ ആൻ ഫ്ലവർ ആണോ? ഞാൻ പറ.
Yeah, because first letter F is not vowel sound. Vowels il pettadalla. Next, Lamia. Lamia, turn on your mic. ഓക്കെ
അല്ല പറ.
വെയിറ്റ്. A umbrella or an umbrella? Lamia. A umbrella or an umbrella?
ഇത് പറ. ഏ ആണോ ആനാണോ എന്ന് പറ. കൊച്ചത്തെ ടീച്ചറിനോട് പറ. നീ പറ.
A umbrella ആണോ ലാമിയ? ആൻ umbrella ആണോ? Very good. An umbrella, because first letter U is vowel, so we will use an. Next, Angel Maria Prince. Angel Maria, please turn on your mic. D-O-G, dog. A dog or an dog? Angel. എന്താ കാര്യം? Because first letter D. Very good. First letter D is not vowels. Very good. Next, Darshidam Sandeep. Turn on your mic. Camel. C-A-M-E-L. Camel. A camel or an camel? Because first letter C is not vowels. C, not vowels. Next, Darshid Radish. 1 minute, Mone. C-A-R, car. Darshid Radish. A car or an car?
A ആണോ ആനാണോ? A കാറിനാണോ ആൻ കാർ?
A car. എന്താ കാര്യം? Because of first letter C is not vowel, so we will use A. Next, E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. An elephant or a elephant? Who will say? I will ask you. Wait. Anusri. Say Anusri. A elephant or an elephant? കേട്ടില്ല.
എന്നാ പറയുന്നത്?
എന്നാണോ പറയുന്നത്? ഓക്കെ ഓക്കെ. An elephant. Angel Maria TP. Wait. Angel.
ഇല്ല.
Wait, Angel.
ടീച്ചർ എഴുതും.
C-O-W, cow. A cow or an cow?
നീ പറ.
A or an? A ആണോ ചേർക്കേണ്ടത്? an ആണോ കേട്ടില്ല.
കേട്ടില്ല ടീച്ചർ. ഉറക്കെ പറ. ടീച്ചറോട് പറ.
A cow, because first letter C is not vowel, so we will use A.
നീ ഇങ്ങോട്ട് നോക്ക് കൊച്ചേ.
തനുസ് കൃഷ്ണയോട് ചോദിച്ചായിരുന്നോ മിസ്? ചോദിച്ചോ? ഓക്കെ. അലോകിനോട് മിസ് ചോദിച്ചില്ലല്ലോ. അലോക്, turn on your mic and video. മോനെ കാണുന്നില്ലല്ലോ. ഇവ തെരേസയോട് മിസ് ചോദിച്ചിട്ടില്ല, കുറെ പേരോട് മിസ് ചോദിക്കാതെ ഉണ്ട്. നെക്സ്റ്റ് ക്ലാസ്സിൽ വീണ്ടും മിസ് എക്സ്പ്ലെയിൻ ചെയ്ത് തരുന്നതായിരിക്കും. യൂസസ് ഓഫ് എ ഓർ ആൻ. അലോക്, ടേൺ ഓൺ യുവർ മൈക്ക് മോനു. ടേൺ ഓൺ യുവർ മൈക്ക്. 1 minute ആയില്ല മോനെ, 1 minute. ടേൺ ഓൺ യുവർ മൈക്ക്. ഓക്കെ ഓക്കെ, 1 minute. B-O-X, box. A box or an box?
A box.
A box, very good, because first letter B is not vowels. Very good, very good. Ini
Not vowel.
yeah, not vowel, so we will use A. A or an ne kurichu adutha class il namukku veendum padikam. Don't worry, innu chodikkathavarodu miss next class il veendum chodikkunnathaayirikkum. It's time to wind up our class. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Why Alok doing like that? Alok, don't do like that. Okay, bye bye. Okay.